take that out. We're going to take that protective cover off, and I'm going to set that on the concrete there like that. Right, we've got to approach this really carefully because it's very dangerous stuff, this. We're going to measure the voltage of this. Right, let's grab that stick. Can't be too careful. Seems okay. So there you go, look. It's dropped 0.02 of a volt overnight sitting on the concrete. Conclusive proof that sitting batteries on concrete flattens them. And it's actually a crock that they explode if you leave them on the concrete, as you've obviously seen.